Hello everyone, I'm Chia Hong Jun from Group 256. My metric number is 148598. Today, I would like to talk about self-healing concrete. Did you have a good understanding about concrete? Concrete is the most commonly used construction material because of its resistance, durability, and low cost when compared to other building material. Therefore, its improvement is important. Despite all these advantages, the appearance of cracking on it will generate very high maintenance and conservation costs and can affect the entire structure. Despite all preventive measures, it is not always possible to avoid the appearance of cracking. To solve this problem, a Dutch microbiologist has developed a self-healing concrete. It can not only reduce the cost for maintenance, it also increases the durability of the concrete. What is the most common problem when we do a construction project? Yes, it's a concrete cracking. Concrete cracking would cause the structure more vulnerable to external effects. It would accelerate the aging process and reduce the mechanism resistance of the structure. At the same time, it reduces the ability of a structure to absorb the stress and may lead to collapse. To solve this type of problem, bioconcrete is suggested. It is invented by microbiologist Henry Jonker. He is studied at Delft University of Technology in the Netherlands. He is inspired by natural body processes in which bone heal through mineralization. Junger explored the idea of whether this could be used in concrete or this can be replicated in concrete. Now, I would like to talk about how the bioconcrete functions. When crack occurs and water enter the bioconcrete, the bacteria in the bioconcrete will become active. They convert the nutrient into calcium carbonate crystal that fill the crack. Self-healing properties is obtained when the bacteria combine with the polymers. This self-healing process would take 2 weeks' time. Although there is no limit for the length of the cracks, which could be centimeter or even kilometer long, but the width is restricted to 1 millimeter. There are two restrictions for the bioconcrete. First one is the bacteria would be dormant if the concrete remains solid and sealed. No water is entering. Second one is too much water would cause the concrete lower tensile strength. Do you know what is the composition of bioconcretes? It is made from bacteria and polymer. Bacillus pseudophilus or Sporus saccina bacterius are the examples of bacteria used in self-healing concretes. They are both naturally found in high alkaline volcanic lakes. These bacteria may survive up to 200 years without the food or oxygen. Most important thing is, this bacteria can prevent internal corrosion of reinforced concrete. According to the research, this bacteria usually weigh less than 1% of the total weight of the concrete. Microorganisms from the precipitate of calcium carbonate is used to heal the concrete. These organisms are embedded in the concrete mix in a dormant state. Actually, bioconcrete is a two-edged sword. It has advantages and disadvantages. Firstly, I talk about the advantages. The first advantage is it can last decades or centuries. We should never have to replace the concrete surface again during its lifespan. In this case, there is less maintenance fee is needed. Apart from that, it has a lower permeability and is more corrosion resistant. There is an improvement in compressive strength of concrete when compared to the normal concrete. Now we talk about the disadvantages. First, it has a high initial cost compared to the normal concrete since its components are unique now. Apart from that, not many contractors know how to use this product yet because it is a new product and many people do not have an idea of using it. There is no code available to standardize this self-healing concrete. Now, I would like to talk about the process of making bioconcrete. First of all, we add the cement and sand into a mixer and mix it for a few minutes. Secondly, we add the water into the mixer while the mixing process is carried on. Then, bacillus bacteria is added during the production of concrete. Bioconcrete is formed. Now, I would like to talk about the process of healing the cracks. When the structure develops a crack and is in contact with the moisture, the pellet will open up and allow the bacteria to feed, germinate, and multiply. After that, it will form a limestone that fills up the cracks. As a conclusion, concrete is the primary building material for construction. The lack of quality in the construction will result in a premature maintenance. Since even structure with the proper quality also would suffer from aging of materials. Projects with self-healing concrete would extend the life of concrete structure and thus reduce the significant saving for maintenance and conservation costs. That is all from me. Thank you.